Okay, the next step is to use this basic cube we've made to make a tower block. I've still just checking, I've still got transparent selection turned on, so I need to select that. I actually want to move it down a bit so I can turn it into a tower. Control C, Control V, copy and paste, add another layer on the tower, Control V because I've already got it on the clipboard, just need to paste, don't need to copy it again each time, and say that is, yeah, that'll do for my first tower block. Now zooming in again, because the next tricky thing is going to be to add windows. So we're going to start, I want to draw a window which looks something like this and stick it on the this is just an example, stick it on the side of the right hand side of the building. Oh, what, don't go behind, that's a new one. I wonder how to fix that, just a minute. Ugh. Because I've gone and made this the exact same colour as the side of the cube, it goes invisible when I put it in there. So I definitely, actually I'm going to just go back to black and do that same thing that you just saw. No, not that thing, this thing. Okay, oh dear, that's way too long. Okay, little pretend window, purposely doing it roughly so you can see the hard way before I show you the easy way. Okay, control, actually I want to get rid of that one, delete, and show you what happens. So this is kind of the angle of the window. The angle of the window wants to match, to make it look fully 3D, wants to be the same as this, the angle on that line. Now see how I drew it myself? I'd have to be really careful to draw the lines exactly, but there is an easier way, and what that is to use some of the lines we've already got. So I'm just going to go Control C, Control V, grab that, Control V again. I don't know why I'm working all the way over on this side, but that's okay. Actually I'm going to get rid of, I want to put it straight above that other one. I'm going to get rid of the blue off it because I don't want that, and I could use the eraser and fiddle around, but I wonder if I just paint bucket the blue patches white, they will disappear. Nice. And now I do need the eraser to get rid of that little piece of line, which isn't where we want it. Okay, and back to our line to draw the sides of the window. So the only, oh, I'm still in white, that's no use. Okay, oh dear, sides of the window, kind of a bit rough. You could zoom in and tidy that up. Oh, I suppose I should do it properly since I'm demonstrating to you guys. Tidy, tidy, tidy. Okay, we have a little window. Now I'm going to leave that window there because I want lots of windows pasted on my thing. Once I've stuck it over here on the shape, if I was to stick it over there, next time I go to copy and paste it, it's going to take the blue with it, and that's not what I want. So I'm just going to go copy and paste it with the white background, chuck it on my tower block, and do that lots of times. And then I'll have windows all the way up my tower. Now for the windows on the other side of the tower block, I actually don't want that angle because that just looks wonky, so we're going to try doing this, flip horizontal. Oh nice, perfect, easy peasy. And you can do that all the way up your tower block. Now there is an extension activity for this, and it's slightly trickier, and what that is to add a little window ledge. So you would need then, there is an example in the workbook, but you'd need to figure out how to make it look like this window is in 3D. It does involve some tricky, I probably can't do it in a hurry because I always muddle it up the first 3 times I do it, but some tricky line drawing on exactly the right angle. On this one I'm just making it look like the window is kind of inset into the wall, because often on big buildings they are. Oh, that's a bit rubbish, isn't it? Anyway, I'll leave you to muck around with that and get it perfect. The other thing we need to do is definitely the glass of the windows isn't the same colour as the wall, so we'd get a paint bucket. We'd choose something quite light, I'd say, for glass to colour in the windows. You'd also possibly, if you want to get creative, you could sort of do swirly lines on them that make it look like there's reflections on the glass. Experiment with the curve tool. You can get carried away and do curtains, etc. If you finish before everyone else, as well as helping your mates to get it done, helping the rest of the class, you could also go on to have a go at some cars, some trees, remembering to try and make everything 3D. Hope you enjoy playing with that and making a tower block building. Don't forget to save.